Today, this RC Lc79 pickup has a job to do. As you can see, we have to transport these heavy rocks to Hilltop, but it is not as easy as it seems. The hurdle is those muddy terrains that come in the way. These muddy terrains are impossible to cross for other ERC pickup trucks. But as you can see, this is not ordinary ERC pickup truck. It's Lc79, baby. It might struggle through these muddy terrains, but at the end, it will make its way through. There are also fresh water streams in the way that will help washing off those dirt and mud stains from this beast. But the dirt and mud are not capable to stop it. It climbs rocks and steep terrains, but never stops. It will make to the hilltop.